In the bustling heart of Silicon Valley, amidst the pulsing rhythm of innovation, a unique perspective was being formed. Dr. Hwa A. Lim, born in Asia and educated in the UK and the US, was perfectly positioned to witness the rise and fall of high-tech giants. With a Ph.D. in science and an MBA in business administration, he was not just an observer, but a participant in the narrative of Silicon Valley's high-tech culture. Dr. Lim was there during the glory days of supercomputing in the 1980s and 1990s. He was there when Netscape launched its Internet IPO in 1995, marking a new era of high-tech dominance. And he was there to see the collapse of once iconic companies, unable to adapt and reinvent themselves in the face of new technologies. For Dr. Lim, entrepreneurship and new technologies are synonymous with change. And change, in his view, means a shift towards high-return and high-growth opportunities. But he makes a clear distinction between an entrepreneur and a creator. To him, an entrepreneur is a doer, a risk-taker, a change agent of capitalism. They are not just thinkers or inventors. They are the ones who understand new technologies, who are fortunate enough to be at the right place at the right time, and who have the skill to seize the moment. They are the ones who become incredibly wealthy, like Bill Gates, who tapped into the maturing PC market in the 1980s, or Mark Zuckerberg, who understood the power of social networking in the 2000s. Dr. Lim believes entrepreneurs are the catalysts of a process called creative destruction. They bring new technologies and concepts into active commercial use, and in doing so, they cause the obsolescence of older technologies. This process of creative destruction has seen many businesses and industries struggle to survive the digital revolution. This isn't limited to newspapers and magazines, but extends to video rental chains, various retailers, and manufacturers of analog products. In summary, Dr. Lim's insights into entrepreneurship and the high-tech industry paint a picture of constant change, driven by those willing to risk, innovate, and adapt. His experiences and observations serve as a reminder that in the high-tech industry, the only constant is change, and those who can master this change are the ones who will ultimately succeed.